There's over a foot of snow on the road. It's no wonder I'm the only vehicle on the road. Ram 2500 Cummins 6-inch lift, 37-inch Nitto Terra grapplers. It's cutting through this snow like it was nothing. Nitto should make a commercial where I live.